Welcome creatives. In the last video we learned a stitch called single crochet. If you missed it, just check it out here.
In today's video we're going to learn our very next stitch, which is called an half double crochet. I'm going to be illustrating with this yarn color.
Let's just think of half double crochet as the junction you have to pass along your journey, because truly you are headed to a destination and you just get a little bit faster than the previous stitch you've learned, which is a single crochet. For this illustration, I'll be making use of 2 strands of yarn. Why? Because a single strand is not recommended for this hook size and it's so tiny. For you to know your recommended hook size, just check your yarn description, and I recommend you having a bigger size hook. Now let's begin. Remember, at the beginning of every journey is a slip knot. So this is how I make my slip knot. Just make a slip knot and control with your working yarn. And when you are pulling, make sure it's not too tight or not too loose on your hook. This is going to help you to learn how to control your tension. So find a consistent in between. Step is for you to make your foundation, which is the beginning of the pathway, which is a chain. Goal is to make 10 half double crochet. That means I have to make 11 chain, because 11 chain equals to 10 half double crochet, because I always have to skip the first stitch. It's very important to learn how to count your stitches while making it. So this is your V-shape, like is the stitch. So you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Including the loop on your hook, that is 11 chain. Now let's begin the half double crochet. You turn your work to the back. Now can you see the bumps? The bumps is holding the V shape, holding both loops of the V shape. This is where you insert your hook. Now turn your work. This is just a slight difference. You know, when you want to make a single crochet, you just yarn inside the bump. Now before you yarn, you are going to assume you want to make a chain by wrapping the hook over your yarn, which is called a yarn over, making 2 loops on your hook. Now you insert your hook inside the bump, just like that. Make sure it's not too tight. If it's too tight, it's not going to be easy to walk around with. Now you pull through your yarn inside that bump. Yarn over again and pull through the whole 3 loops on your hook, and that's how to make your first half double crochet. And one more time, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to wrap your yarn, which is yarn over, and insert your hook inside the bump, making it 3 loops on your hook. Then you yarn and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook again, and you yarn and pull through all. And you're going to continue repeating this until you find your rhythm, and that's how to make your very first row of a half double crochet. Begin our second row. You're going to chain 1. Remember, chain 1 does not count as a stitch. You're going to yarn over first. That's the first thing you have to remember. Yarn over first, making it 2 loops. Then you insert your hook under the V shape. Can you see? It's holding both loops, which is the V shape. That is where to insert your hook. Then you yarn over, making it 3 loops on your hook. Then you yarn and pull through the whole 3. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over first, then you put it underneath the V shape, making it 3 loops, and then you pull through all. Continue repeating the steps until you are comfortable and you find your rhythm. It's all about repetition, so just take your time. Important tip to notice is that if you are beginning a new row, always remember to chain 1. It does not count as a stitch. Or if your stitch is looking off, you might just be forgetting to yarn over first, or you are pulling through 2 loops instead of the whole 3. So just slow down and take your time, and before you know it, your hand will just get used to the rhythm. And this is how your half double crochet should look like. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer. And if you are enjoying this, kindly subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss the next video. Bye guys.